Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Rich here on this Friday morning. It's the 10th day of January, and here are the headlines now as we get you ready for this big severe weather event coming up for Saturday. Still, we are in an enhanced risk. That's level 3 out of 5. Not out of the question that that will be bumped up perhaps to a level 4 before the storm system gets here. This is very rare for January. The timeline hasn't changed. Still about 10 a.m. in the far western counties to about 8 p.m. in the far eastern counties. So that stays about the same. The main idea is a line of severe thunderstorms with damaging wind gusts, perhaps extensive wind damage across many areas with this line of storms, and embedded tornadoes, possibly a few strong tornadoes, and still a possibility of some individual cells out ahead of that main line. Those are the headlines. Now, let's get into the meat and potatoes. Glad you're here. On the map this morning, there's that powerful storm system moving into the plains and into the heartland. And on the cold air side of it, there's some heavy snow, blizzard conditions. And on the warm air side of it, of course, a major severe weather outbreak today. In fact, they bumped it up to a level 4 moderate risk now across the Arklatex region today. Could be a big tornado day there. For us, nothing severe. Scattered showers today, maybe a thunderstorm today and tonight. Today's high 73. A windy day. Southeast winds at 12 to 18 miles per hour, gusting higher. And tomorrow is the main event. We are now still in the enhanced severe weather risk. That's level 3. That could be bumped up to level 4 by the time this event gets to us tomorrow. We'll see the possibility of some tornadoes and maybe even some strong tornadoes, EF2 or higher, plus a widespread wind damage event expected with 70-plus mile-an-hour winds in many of these thunderstorms. There's the front in eastern Mississippi at noon tomorrow, with the action already beginning in west Alabama at that hour and spreading on eastward. Could there be some discrete supercells ahead of the main line? It's certainly possible. This is Saturday at 3 p.m. with the line moving in, with the front moving into central Alabama and into east Alabama by Saturday 6 p.m. and probably out of the state by about 8 or 9 p.m. So let's look at future radar. One depiction of the squall line from 10 a.m. in the morning until 8 p.m. at night. And there it is at 8 p.m. Into southeast Alabama. And ahead of it, perhaps a few discrete supercells. But the main event will be the line itself with embedded tornadoes and widespread wind damage. Here's a snapshot of future radar at 3 p.m. in the afternoon, showing the line moving into central Alabama with a few cells out ahead of it in southeast Alabama in that juicy air mass. So let's review. Tornadoes are likely. We can't rule out some strong tornadoes in some cases. Damaging wind gusts, 70 mile an hour or higher. It looks like a widespread wind damage event. The line of storms is the main event, possible individual cells ahead of it, starting late morning in the west, early evening in the east. And don't forget, outside of thunderstorm areas, it's still going to be windy. A wind advisory for the entire area tomorrow with wind gusts as high as 40 miles per hour. So again, that's outside of thunderstorm areas. Then we're looking at Sunday. The front moves away, and we have a dry most of the day Sunday, but maybe some rain coming back at us on Sunday night, and I think a pretty good chance of rain on Monday. In fact, really for the next few days, a series of disturbances. There's Tuesday, another wet day. When you add up all the rain from the Saturday storm system and all the during the week as well, we could see maybe 2 to 3 inches in southeast Alabama, 3 to 4 inches plus in central Alabama, and much of the state could see excessive rainfall totals over the next 7 days. So let's review. We've got the severe weather tomorrow with the chance of precipitation at 100%, high 76. And then rain chances increasing again by late Sunday into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Temperatures are going to be very mild again for the month of January. In fact, even lows at night in the 50s and 60s and afternoon highs in the 70s. Our weather app will instantly alert you to a watch or warning for your location. If you have not downloaded it yet, get it on your phone or tablet today. Advanced Interactive Radar as well. Plus, you'll be able to watch our live stream of our coverage tomorrow right there in your safe place. Go to the App Store, search Rich Thomas Weather. The National Weather Service made a really good point this morning. If you get under a severe thunderstorm warning tomorrow in your county, and our weather app will instantly tell you if you are, you should treat it like a tornado warning. You follow me? I would go to your safe place. These are going to be pretty vicious thunderstorms, and with the possibility that a severe thunderstorm warning could even be upgraded to a tornado warning. So treat severe thunderstorm warnings tomorrow like a tornado warning. Go to your safe place. We're live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Meteorologist Ryan Stinnett and I will be talking weather on TV on CBS 8 and ABC 32. We'll summarize this situation for you again, and there'll be another update for you first thing tomorrow morning. Either a video, probably more like a blog, as I get ready to move to the Blue Water Weather Center. That's where I'll be parked all day long, updating you on your app, on your phone, on the radio, and sometimes on television as well. Have a great day today. Stay weather aware, and we'll keep you up to date, okay?